Today is 3 months since I shaved my beard, and I didn't expect it to grow back so quickly. Honestly, I'm a little scared on how I'm gonna look in 9 months from now. This is gonna be a right mess. Today I'm gonna do a quick trim. First of all, I'm gonna take care of my sides. They're really messy. To be honest, I wanted to do it like 2 weeks ago, but I'll do it now. So I just take the comb, just lift the sides, scissors. I actually need a proper mirror to do this. I'm doing it on a reflection from a GoPro lens, so I might completely fuck it up. Alright, the other side I'm gonna do in front of the mirror. It's not ideal, but it definitely looks a lot better. Does it? And next thing is gonna be the top line. And I'm gonna do the same thing, top line as high as possible. Again, I'm doing it in the lens reflection, so I may fuck it up. Oh, that's not a good sound. Oh, that's better. Yeah, I'll be fine. For the bottom line, I used to do it quite high. This time I'm gonna do it lower. I want it roughly even with the bottom of my beard. So I'm gonna do it just a little above my Adam's apple. So I'm gonna give my neck a quick clean shave, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna blow dry my beard. And the reason is my mustache and my soul patch are becoming a nuisance, and I need to start shaping them up. And the best way to do it is blow dry your beard after you shower. So my beard is wet, now I'm gonna blow dry it. Alright, so a couple of things you need to know to blow dry your beard. I use a wooden comb, don't use a plastic one. Cheap plastic ones melt. I got my blow dryer. You want to use medium setting, medium heat, and you don't want to get too close to your beard. You want it to be a little bit further away. So I'm gonna comb everything down and blow dry it. I just want to straighten out my beard hair. The soul patch, the longer it gets, the more it's gonna curl, and I don't want that. I want it to be as straight as possible. So I'm gonna apply a bit more heat on my soul patch, and I'm gonna try and straighten it out as much as possible. The sooner you start doing this, the more in shape your beard is gonna stay and the less maintenance it's going to need. Alright, now I'm gonna shape up my mustache, because I want to grow it out as well, but it's becoming a bit of a nuisance. It's growing into my mouth. Alright, how does it look? It's not the most even beard, but once I get a bit more volume, then I'll even it out. Blow drying the beard will allow it to stay in shape for the rest of the day. You can use beard balm or mustache balm. It will help your beard to stay in shape, but I don't have any, so I'm not gonna use any. So this is how I looked 3 months ago, and this is how I look today.